You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, originally a French name of a French origin, particularly famous in the US for being a brand of chocolate, a chocolate company, manufacturer. In French, for reference, the pronunciation is as guitare, guitare. Now in English, you either pronounce it the French way, guitar, but it sounds very much like a guitar, right? So it's generally pronounced more as guittard, guittard, chocolate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.